Kaibo Manyezoku. Ima iwe mebenta ano na abo, Hana to ashi, the ashi jizanyam na for the ashi, the thing na bakamishi. 90 and I seen a for 99 years. The government representatives did not sign to that.
No,
now,
but
Mama, try
attention.
For 99 years.
No, that thing was not signed. Yeah, about game, I didn't want to. This kind of things. And we case on all the reason. You see, we have their legal team. Case in about the head of their legal team. You are a lawyer, you cannot be in your field or practice. Every blessed day or send the other message. I don't want to say so many of my private discussions or conversation with this man. Mama, Lanya, that thing was a game. That thing was a game. I don't want to talk to this one, so but I know, but I've been on my comment section, I've been on my inbox, so lay threat. There was a time they told me, send the other message. The message is all let's screenshot, even from last year. I preserved it because I'm not going to come mad in Hobo. Or that day I say I had a petition. The message is still with me. That I should come and clear the air over the padlock man. I said to him, no. The messages I sent to him is still here with me. This man kept threatening me. I stick to my ground. Let all that one that day I say happen that God should be the judge. And see, okay, this morning, on my comment section, even on a message post, no was really a blogger. Because they think that the illegality they perfected on Israel, they can perfect it upon everybody.
Wow.
Now look at what happened. Look at what happened. This is strictly business this guy does. And they do it in the side of intimidating anybody they see.
I said it I knew it.
Hey.
Now, exactly what
now, look at what happened there. That is my community. Many of them said that they want him to Zion and Nkoya. I do not need anything. God Almighty be my witness. I challenge Barisanand. I want to be me. I see me before. Now what we are demanding is very simple. Even if you've come to build your enterprise, there's no problem. But please follow through the right channels. And our communities are not requesting for money. The only thing about mind you that now government, politicians will keep the church is when politicians are gazena so gabu the size and hatchero.
Exactly.
These are the facts. Politicians will go down in the name of these people. Now these people did not present to us the capacity of land they need, and it was not done in transparency. Now politicians are over village everywhere they see. That's what we are trying to let these people know. If they have sat with us, the capacity of land they want, we now measure it. So that our village, our offspring, our next generation will have a place. They will have a place where they can still build their own houses. These are the things we are crying for. The MOU and we see it. The Honorable Commissioner said yesterday that they entered into MOU. When he got to the side, the community sign with Zion, he touched that place. He did not point at it. The MOU, was it signed? Was it agreed upon? They are keeping all these things in blank papers so that they can just write and do anything.
Stand by your what? Truth. Never you be shaken by anybody. You
lie.
Okay.
You see this
for everybody listening to me, ma. I want you to take this. For everybody listening to me, ma. There is no possible means these people are not using. This morning I woke up. One of my friends from abroad sent me a voice note again. They said I was requesting for Brado. Mama, you remember last year I was on live section and I came there and commented. So I was like hailing him. So I started hailing him. I've seen your comments here. Okay. If you see what I was even saying there, you should understand that thing was a joke. I said I needed 2 Prado, I needed the 10 Sienna, I needed $5,000 on live section. I wish I can find that video.
Yeah.
Now that is where these guys are worse than Fulani herdsmen.
They hear now.
That is what they are doing right now. Now, this is simple truth. Everybody hates from a community. Everything you judge today comes to meet you tomorrow.
Exactly.
It comes to meet everybody tomorrow. It is simple. You don't want to send their request. It is very, very simple. And when you're saying you've never seen about our community rising before. You also more than 1,000. We've never mobilized. Guardia say how ya stop work. We've never done that. Now we can't say we'll start the MOU because we understand government functionaries, the way they behave. They will pass behind, they be way more than that. Then let us know. Yes. That is very simple. These people ignore it. What they do is they threaten anybody. And I want to use this opportunity. Anybody can record this video. To my people in Ngor-Okpala, majorly in the kindred, we need their case in court. On the process of fighting for you, don't cry for me.
Wow.
Don't cry for me at all. People give back to children who stands as a liberator unto their generations and others. It doesn't matter. Today, regret even in my grave, regret that I am fighting for my people. The remaining conscience of my spirit self. There is no regret in this. Because I know it as I know my name, that I am speaking for the commoners. I'm speaking for those people living in red mother houses, that the only means of livelihood that is very, very simple. How do people sleep at night? They will tell you to shut up. We are telling you that this thing are manipulated. They are manipulated.
The agreement is between the government for 99 years leasehold of a tent. Is it for the government or between ebuka and the community?
Mama, that thing was in China, the first time in China through the office of President Olusegun Obasanjo, they came to our place. And these Chinese people, it's only few government functionaries. They come, they have meetings with our people, and all that. I just pray you be patient and take my point. Akwema, the former governor of Imo State, Chief Emeki Hedyo, and I believe this video gets to Nde Abombise, who will also ask him about this thing. Take my point. Take my point, man. Do you know that these people, some people say have representatives of the community, of which many of them are not even from our communities. They went and started extorting the Chinese people. That was why the Chinese left. A series of court cases people raised as a question mark against that particular project because they wanted a clear note. So some of them now returned. When they tried to bend our people, they now came and agreed upon the MOU. It was written. If you check what our people wrote, our people later agreed. After some of our uncles, our elders, come and sign this thing for us. That what we are giving out today, our children will not be shedding tears upon our graves. Those are the papers the Commissioner for Lands was showing yesterday, and I made them available. I made those documents available before he even made his own live stream broadcast. That time passed, the people left. Ask anybody that was any check dated at that time with the name of anybody from our community, they should present that check. Do you know that if the Commissioner for Lands had one check of that nature, he would have brought it out yesterday? There was no check paid to anybody. These are, during those periods, they would just gather 5 persons, give them maybe 60,000. They will leave at that point. Now, during the time of the former governor of Imo State, Senator Owele Sokrocha, they brought the Chelsea group. Again, in respect of that land, Ask yourself. You and I don't have trouble.
Is it the same land Ebuka is still?
The same land. The same land. The same land. The Chelsea group came. Now, when they saw the issue surrounding the land again, they left. They brought some other persons again. They wanted to play pranks again with it again. So they summoned our people. Our people asked questions again for another time. They said, these people you are bringing, we have heard rumor that it is Ruga settlement. We want to see the master plan of what they want to do. We want to have a word with them. They left that one. During the time of Chief Emeki Hedioha, this is where I quoted him now. Go and ask if anybody has access to the Emeka Onyahoje Joya. During the time of the Emeka, when they were there for they reproducing something, who came for that thing? The governor himself, Chief Emeki Hedioha, came to Ngor-Okpala. Even when his maternal home is in Ngor-Okpala, he came to let Eze Okereke's palace, where he sat and said that this land, they need it for agricultural reform. Our elder said to him, His Excellency, that's a very good idea, but we have plantations there. We have palm fruits there and other economical trees. So if you uproot it today to plant cassava, who is fooling who? Are we losing or are we getting? So after more dialogue with Emeki Hedioha, Emeka left the said land again. He did not collect it.
So why is ebuka taking over the land?
Now, at this point, they came back again on almost the same process again. Initially, they came having meetings with our people, but maybe the discussions, it has to be a process something, but because they are in a hate, they needed to pass through the state government. They needed to pass through the state government for the second time. That was how all this thing started. Now, the commissioner for lands yesterday was quoting that they gave 10 million naira to each community. Please, my dear sister, ask yourself. So, 10 million naira, that they gave 10 million naira to each community, 6 autonomous community. And I challenge you that his own community, I want to start from his own community. His own king,
especially when it comes to land.
The king gathered the great sons of Asian ancient kingdom and told them.
Excuse me, Governor Ezio, 10 million naira for how many communities?
Each community, each autonomous community, surrounded with 21 villages, so 10 million naira.
That's what I'm asking. Each autonomous community, how many are they?
One autonomous community, like his own autonomous community, has 21 villages. Village, baby, so you know go feel what kind of finish per day.
That's what I'm asking. What I'm asking now is the 10 million naira for 21 villages.
21 villages.
10 million, or just for the 21?
For the 21 villages, 10 million naira.
Who gave you guys the money?
There's one Reverend Father Kennedy who brought the check to Eze. The Eze rejected the check. No, hold on, man. This angles I'm touching now. Even the barrister himself will be shocked to hear this because all of them thought that the check was received. The man of God thought that the check was received by these traditional rulers. Not all of them participated in that thing. What they did was, you should know how people operate. Nobody comes closer to you when they will not get anything actually.